देखना start. I am very happy that the honorable minister has announced various incentives to the farmers. Full stop. I talked to some of them. Stop. But it seems some confusion is being created. Sometimes I give you the example of Tamil Nadu. Stop. Our honorable member and Congress president of Tamil Nadu had gone to Tamil Nadu had he accused Mr. Singh of working inside the government as an agent of the capitalist and imperialist forces and exploiting the situation. Stop. And he further said that the last two budgets presented by our prime minister and the finance minister have sought to correct the distortions and deviations. But I am trying to say is that somebody else presenting the budget. It is a Congress budget. Full stop. What I would say is that there is a certain direction, whether it is presented by Mr. Singh or by somebody else. Full stop. The essential thing is that it should be beneficial to the people. Full stop. Change. I am happy the honorable minister has introduced various new schemes and he has tried to do his best in the present circumstances. Stop. I congratulate him. Stop. I think in his budget speech for 1.5 hours, he was stating about the various incentives, and 1 hour he devoted to incentives to farmers, to small scale industry, etc. So I so if I have to refer to all that, it will take long time for me to repeat. Full stop. I am happy that under present circumstances he has done so much for the agriculturist. Full stop. Change. Finally, I would say that whatever kind of subsidy you give to the farmer, you have to ensure remunerative price to him. Stop. Unless you give proper price, whatever you do to help him will not be of much use. Stop. I am sure the agricultural prices and cost commission will arrive at the proper price which should be given to the farmer, and unless a fair price is given to the farmer, lot of the farmers cannot be improved. Stop. They have to spend more on inputs, they have to spend more on so many other things, and they have to purchase also. Stop. Therefore it is essential that they get a fair price for their produce. Full stop. Change. I have one more request to make. Full stop. It has been said that the export duty on coffee is going to cripple the coffee industry in the south. Stop. I hope the honorable minister will exempt the industry in respect of export duty. Stop.